Howdy y'all, welcome back. Thanks for joining me on another adventure. Today I'm going to walk down these railroad tracks and try to find a little beaver pond that my dad and I used to fish at whenever I was a teenager. It's a long walk down these railroad tracks right here, so let's get down there and see what it looks like. When I was younger, my dad and I would come down the railroad tracks here and we would fish. This used to be, I guess, a beaver dam was back there, and all of this was a nice big pond, but everything's kind of grown up. Can't really get to anything. I'm going to go down a little farther to where the creek comes under the railroad track and see if I can find anything there. Alright, let's see if anything is right here. I got down to an area that might have something in it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to downsize. I've got a Ned rig tied on right now. I downsized to a Trout Magnet and caught this nice bluegill. So, I know there's fish in here. Let's see if we can catch a few more. Another nice bluegill here on the Trout Magnet. So what I'm using are these little Trout Magnet jig heads, 1/64 ounce, and I've got 3 different colors of the Trout Magnet little worms or grubs. Got a little bit of sniffles. I'm getting over a cold. So I've got the red and black right here. I believe they call that bulldog. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to check on that. Then I've got the bison color, and I believe this is either a natural or maybe maybe they just call it brown, but it looks, you know, like a natural worm. I'm gonna go with the bulldog color here, but you just rig that on the hook and you want to make it come out between the legs. You want the hook to come out between the little legs or whatever you want to call it, and there you go. Alright, let's see if we can catch a few more. The first 2 I caught on the bison color. I got hung up and lost that one, so I had to retie. So we'll try the bulldog color. Alright, so I didn't get any bites on this color. I'm going to switch back to the bison color and see. I'm actually getting really low on these. I got this in a kit called the Panfish Magnet Kit. Alright, got the bison color back on. Let's see what that one does, because I had more bites on it before I broke off. Alright, another nice little one on the bison Trout Magnet, bison colored Trout Magnet. Those are pretty fish. There we go, that's a pretty good cast. Should get something there. Let's see. There we go. It's a pretty nice size one right there. All right. Again, that's just on the little tiny 1/64 ounce Trout Magnet jig head with the bison color Trout Magnet. I'm gonna try to get one or two more, then I gotta get on back. All right, another little one on the Trout Magnet. That's a little bitty one. Pretty fish though. Well, even though coming down the railroad tracks here, the landscape's changed and the water's changed, I think I found a nice little spot to catch me some creek fish. But I'll come back again and give it a try when I can explore a little bit more down along the banks here. All right, goal, get up here without busting my butt. Ooh. I'm so far away I can't even see my truck. I can see the truck now. It's way down there. Still shaking off this cold. Guess a nice long walk across the railroad tracks with boots on will help. Alright, well, I've made it back to the truck. It was a little bit of a walk coming back, especially getting over this cold. A little hard to breathe, got the sniffles. But thanks for joining me on my adventure today. And until next time, get out there and cast your cares away.